There are still noteworthy competitors in the Android tablet market, even though it may not be as competitive as the market for smartphones. Samsung has been a significant player in the market, providing a broad range of devices to meet the needs of different user segments. The company released its amazing and enormous Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra in 2022 with the intention of satisfying customers looking for tablet-like productivity. Later this year, Samsung appears to be getting ready to introduce an improved model of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The smartphone is now anticipated to make significant gains in terms of durability and performance, according to recent leaks. Additionally, according to rumors, this will be the most potent Android tablet yet, possibly even outperforming the iPad. According to well-known leak, Crisis Universe has revealed that Samsung's forthcoming high-end tablet will come equipped with a customized chipset and could possibly have a higher base RAM capacity, in addition to having an IP68 water-resistant rating. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is expected to use the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor found in the recently released Galaxy S23 series, as previously rumored. While the highest-end and prices version of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has 16 GB of RAM. This source suggests that 16 GB of RAM may be the new starting point for the next generation. Samsung may offer additional models with higher RAM capacities, but no specific information has been released thus far. One potentially note for the enhancement for the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra could be its acquisition of an IP68 rating, which would provide protection against dust and water, a feature lacking in previous iterations. The iPad Pro from Apple already boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making it a direct competitor in this regard. And it seems like Samsung's not gonna go easy on Apple. While some specification of Samsung's upcoming tablet are anticipated to remain unchanged, such as the screen and body size, display resolution, and battery, there will be some differences from its predecessor. The device is expected to have a marginally heavier weight compared to the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, with a difference of approximately 11 grams. In terms of the Tab S9 Plus, it seems to be quite powerful based on the leaked information and images shared by OnLeaks and Wolf of Tablet, although it may not be as impressive as the Ultra model. Although the rumors around the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra center on its hardware improvements, any potential updates to software features have not been disclosed yet. Samsung is expected to launch the tablet during a late summer and packed event later this year. Samsung may need to enhance the camera sensor of their upcoming Tab S9 in order to keep up with Apple's trend of offering exceptional camera quality and innovative features on their iPads. To compete with the iPad Pro, it's possible that Samsung will include an improved camera sensor on the Tab S9, which could result in capturing high-quality, sharp and clear images. The Samsung Galaxy Tab has a standard model is equipped with an 8000 mAh battery, whereas the Tab S8 Ultra comes with an 11,200 mAh battery. Now, despite the differences, both tablets are capable of lasting a full day on a single charge. However, when engaged in demanding tasks, the battery life of these devices may vary. It's therefore expected that Samsung will strive to provide an even longer battery life in the upcoming Galaxy Tab S9 series, surpassing that of the Tab S8 series. In conclusion, Samsung's forthcoming Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is expected to feature several upgrades, including a customized chipset, potentially higher RAM capacity, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. While some aspects of the tablet may remain unchanged, Samsung may include an improved camera sensor and strive to provide an even longer battery life than its predecessors. With unexpected launch during a late summer and packed event, consumers can anticipate more information on the tablet's software features and pricing in the coming months. For now, that is all. Many thanks for tuning in. If you found this video to be useful, please like and share it with your friends. If you want to see more content like this in your feed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.